So I want to share with you some tricks that can help you fix the problem that has been affecting most of the Mac users. Most of the Mac computers have been affected by this issue where after updating their Macs to the latest version of Sequoia 15.0, there is an issue where you are actually stuck on the login screen. So the issue, as you can see here, whenever that I'm trying to reach my home screen, there is this screensaver that blocks me, so I can't access the home screen. I can't actually use any app that I have on my computer. And if you want to test this, if you want to use these tricks that I'm going to share, please ensure that you are facing the same problem as what I had. And you can also test that out by connecting your computer to a TV screen and using maybe an HDMI cable. And then when you have connected the computer to this TV screen, you see that you can actually have an access to the top bar, like the Apple logo. You can see the Finder. You can see the control center. Those things can be accessible, but when you click anywhere on that top bar, the apps or the settings open in the background, and so you can't have access to those settings or anything. So you're stuck there. So I decided to call Apple, and the team was helpful. Sometimes they were saying, okay, you can try to reinstall Mac through the Mac OS through the recovery, those kinds of things. And I tried many times and I failed. And then later on, someone gave me a hint that I should call their senior advisor, and then they gave me some lines of commands to use in the recovery, and this is what I'm going to do with you so that you can see how to solve this problem. So stay with me. I'm going to take you through the whole process, and hopefully you can revive your computer. Let's move on. Okay, so let me show you how you can access the recovery mode from your computer. If you're using an Apple Silicon, this is what you need to do. Number one, you long press the power button until you see the loading startup options. So I press the power button. If it doesn't work, maybe you can use the shift key as well at the same time. But I've seen that you can actually long press on the power button until you see the loading startup options. Let's press that. Okay, you continue holding, and there loading startup options you can release. I can zoom in. Okay, so once you are on this screen, you have to click options and then continue. Okay, and then here you enter your password. Actually, you click next. Okay, and here what you're going to do is that you are going to access disk utility so that you can mount your disk. So disk utility, then continue, and here you have to choose data volume. So here you need to click mount. Okay, and then here you enter password. I'm not going to do that for now, but I want to show you how you can do that. So you will enter your password here, and then you unlock, and you will have your data volume mounted. Okay, so once you have done that, you go to you go to disk utility, and then go to quit disk utility. Okay, so you can return to this recovery mode, and here you have to go to utilities, and then you go to terminal. So the first command that you're going to use here is cd space /volumes /data /users. So basically this is like you're going to access your users, your disk. And the second command is ls basically in lowercase. this is going to show you then actually the username that you have in your computer. So let's say this is Baptiste, then you're going to use this username in the next command. And then in the next command, in command number 3 is mv, then space, then double quotes, period, / username, / library, preferences, but library and L is in capitalized and P is capitalized as well in the preferences, then / com.apple.dock .plist double quotes space double quotes period username, which is Baby Baptiste, for example, in my case, / downloads decapitalized, then double quotes. So this is what we're going to do in this case, and the issue will be resolved. So once you have entered this command, press enter, and then you go to terminal. I mean the Apple logo here, sorry, and then you go to restart. So thanks so much for watching these videos. If you've liked it, please smash that like button and this subscribe button, and also share this video with others, and so they can learn from it, and they can maybe, they can save their computers. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.